CTE is beneficial for all of our students because we provide opportunities to everyone. And by everyone, I mean those that want to pursue a post-secondary education to a 4-year degree college, a 2-year degree college, or even those that just want to acquire a certificate, or those that want to go straight into the workforce. It's very important for them to join a career and technical education class because maybe they're kind of stuck in their math class, kind of stuck in their English class, and I feel like most of the times it's because they don't have that tactical or that hands-on, and we provide a lot of that hands-on. A lot of the times a student is stuck in their math or reading class because they think, well, what am I going to use this for? I believe that our career and technical education classes is something that they're able to apply not only every day, but they also see a future in it, like, oh, I'm going to graduate with the certificate. There's a purpose to this. There's a purpose why I'm learning this. So that's why they like coming to our classes. That's why they enjoy our classes, because they see a purpose and they actually see the outcome and something they can make out of it. So we offer many certificates to all of our students. We can offer anything from automotive certificate all the way to a pharmacy technician certificate. So off campus, we offer around 25 programs. On campus, we offer more, and those on campus programs prepare you for these off campus courses. We've had a lot of response from our parents and guardians wanting their kids to join CTE just because they know the opportunities, or those that don't know, they start to learn our opportunities and get to know that their students graduate fully certified. So to them, it means savings, a lot of savings. You could graduate as a fully licensed pharmacy technician, which will save you thousands and thousands of dollars. So obviously, I recommend all students to join CTE programs because we provide more than just your basic classes. We provide those fun, interesting, hands-on courses. Like I said, on campus or off campus, we provide opportunities that incorporate your basic knowledge skills like English, math, but in a more extensive way. Into where you are able to use your hands, your mobility, and you're able to learn more. You're able to apply the skills rather than just learn the skills. For a lot of students, the CTE program is probably something that they're going to get a certificate in, and obviously pursue higher education or maybe join the workforce. So I believe CTE offers that opportunity to expand your knowledge, get a certificate, but it also provides the opportunity to kind of explore